but your wheels ain't flying, you gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
Hey everybody, I'm Dicel. This is Dicel's Garage. I hope everybody's having a super fantastic day today. On today's episode, we're going to do something a little bit different. I have a very special guest with me. I have Mr. Smoke. Be sure to subscribe to his channel. It's a Roblox channel, and he has a lot of specialities with those types of games, and it's a lot of fun. He actually got me playing Dogecoin Tycoon, so go check it out. Say hello, Mr. Smoke.
Hello, everyone. How's it going? Good to see you guys.
So we're going to the Mavis Tire shop. My dad has a 2008 Ford F150 truck. It's needed some maintenance, right? He had a tire blowout on it, and so I told him that we had a tire changer and a balancer at the shop, and he said, hey, would you mind putting these tires on the truck for me? So I said, yeah, you know, no worries, no worries. So he put them in the back of the truck. I went up there and got it, and I drove it, and I noticed that there's some other things that are wrong with it. And you know, I love my dad very much. He's done a lot for me. And you know, if I have the opportunity to help him with something, I'm gonna do it. So everybody knows I love vehicles. So I wanted to fix it up a little bit for him. So instead of actually doing the tires myself or having Race Car Terry and I do it at the shop, I actually took it over to the guys at Mavis. Mr. Preacher over there, I told him, look, this is for my dad. I want to get the tires on there. I want to get anything else, you know, that might be out of place or unsafe in the vehicle. I want to get it, you know, fixed. And so Preacher's taking care of me. So come to find out, the tires were a little bit taller, the ones that he got. He actually bought his own tires. So the tires were a little bit taller than the ones that were on there. So when the tires went on the truck, there was a problem with the shock heights, because the shocks that are on there are weeping, and so they needed to be changed. Actually, they're not shocks, they're struts in the front, shocks in the back. So I went ahead and told Mavis to go ahead and change the struts in the front, the shocks in the back, but I also noticed that the brakes were really bad. So again, in the interest of time and not having the time to do it myself, I just told him to do the whole thing. And again, my dad has nothing, he knows nothing about this. He just thinks that we're gonna put the tires on the truck, right? So front end alignment, even windshield wipers, new rotors, new brakes, and then of course the struts, and of course the tires being mounted up. So Mr. Smoke's taking me over there, dropping me off so I can pick it up. I'm actually going to drive it around a little bit, make sure it's good to go. We're going to take it to Columbus, we're going to look at it, and then we're going to end up delivering it to my dad and surprising him with all these repairs on his truck. So I hope he's not mad at me. I think he'll be pretty happy. We'll see. Okay, so we just came over to Mavis Tires and Brakes. We were going to pick up the F350, I'm sorry, the F150. Tires look good. Everything, he said, was taken care of except for an ABS module light, which we need to get fixed at the dealership. So it's looking good. Let's see how it drives. So the truck's really dirty inside. So I think I'm going to roll it over to my favorite car wash, and I think we're going to run it through the car wash just one time, and then maybe vacuum it out for him. You know, make it a little bit nicer for him. You know, we want it to be as nice as possible. So onto the car wash. So yeah, so we're at Caliber Car Wash in Phoenix City. Look at this cool Challenger right there. It's an RT, man. It sounds good too. Woo! Kind of looks like a little Dukes of Hazzard thing going on, isn't it? Orange. Anyway, we're taking Pop's truck through the car wash. Hey guys, so this truck just drives fantastic. I mean, it's a completely different vehicle now. So anyway, Race Car Terry is going to ride up there with me to Harris County. Actually, I think he's going to drive the Shelby up there, and I'm going to drive this up there, and we're going to go surprise my dad. It's going to be awesome. I hope he's happy. I hope he's not mad or embarrassed or anything. I don't think he will be. I think he'll just be happy. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we're off to my parents' house. Race Car Terry is in the Shelby, looking fine over there. Golly, look at that car. So yeah, we're gonna head up. So we're gonna head up to my dad's house now. Terry's gonna follow me, and we'll drive the Shelby back. Okay, so we just got to Pop's house, and we're pulling the truck out. He's gonna do his initial assessment of the updates that have been done. So I just went over a list with him of what we've done. So of course he gave us the new tires. Their Firestone tires are very good, so those went on balanced. We also did rotors, brake pads, we did a power steering flush, brake flush, we did brand new McPherson struts in the front, shocks in the back, front end alignment, new windshield wipers, full tank of gas.
I like him.
TPMS sensors with programming. We took it to the car wash. I have that on footage going through the car wash. And then the vacuum. And this is actually his maiden voyage. So
I like it. I like it.
So let's see what he says. Let's see if he notices any different.
Oh yeah, I already feel it. Oh man, it feels taller.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah.
But it's smooth.
Yeah, I know, right? And see, when you were going 55 before, you're going, and see now it's smooth all the way to 85.
It's really smooth.
A show back in the 90s called Pimp My Ride. And so I'm exhibit. I got the cornrows under here. Okay. I'm exhibit. And so at the very end of this, he's going to say, hello, my name's Irving, and Dicel Pimp My Ride. Maybe we can get him to do it. I don't know. We're just going on a test drive for right now. I will say we didn't have to do anything to the engine. The engine is so strong. And again, I don't think I've said this on camera, but this is the same 5.4 engine, the iron block that's in the Shelby. The Shelby just has a supercharger on it. But this truck, I think it's pretty light. So, I mean, this thing has a lot of power, and the air conditioner is spot on. It cleaned up really easy, has 136,000 miles on it. The oil pressure is really strong. It doesn't get hot at all. So I think it's a great truck. I really do.
Thank you very much. I think it's great, and you made it better. Hi, I'm Irving Rodriguez, and Dicel Pimp My Ride.
All right, Dice. All right, Rod. All right, Rod. I'm glad that we could do your truck, and you've been pimped.